Hello, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to show you step by step how to get out of or sell a stock that you purchased that's actually gone up. So you have made some gains from this stock and you want to reap the benefits by spending it somewhere else. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing is that you are currently looking at the banking side of Ally. You can never do anything investment wise on this section. This is only for banking area. So you will need to get to the investment side and you have four ways of doing that. You can go to the top of the screen here and click on investments. You can go to Ally Invest Home by clicking this blue thing here. You can actually go down to the quick trade section here, or if you know in which account you have, which investment portfolio you have that you want to sell the stock for, just clicking on one of these blue individual words will take you to that stock. So I'm going to go and click on this one because I want to just show you one of the stocks I have that has had a big gain. It has gone down a little bit, but I purchased it so low that it doesn't matter how low it goes because I'm always going to be in the money. So, as you can see here, right now in my portfolio, I have four stocks. Three of my four stocks are actually making money today, and all of these are down because the market is going down. But again, it doesn't matter because overall I have really did good with my stock so far. And what you would want to look for when you're making a decision to actually sell is okay, um, I want to get out of this stock. So what I'm going to do, come over here to whichever stock you want to sell. You'll come over here to this button here and you'll click on it. And then you will click on trade. Now, just in case, you can also go up here to this big blue button that says quick trade. And this will allow you to pull up whichever stock you want to do. So let's just say Fisker, for example. I will type in FSR and then it will go into the quick trade option. I have to change the action from buy to sell. But let's say you want it to just be very simple. Come over here, click on this and click on trade. It still pulls up, but you don't have to do no extra work. Everything is already populated for you and it automatically goes to sell, how much the quantity and the order type. Now, because this video is just a basic sell, I'm not going to go into anything else regarding order type. But what you would just do is come down here to preview order, click on that, and then it will show you all of the sale proceeds you will receive, which is this top line, $3,916. It will tell you about any kind of commissions or fees. This will be 11 cents. And after all that is said and done, I will pocket $3,915.89. Then if you are satisfied with that, you don't want to wait anymore, you want that money now, you will go ahead and click on place order. And then once that has been placed, you're not getting that money that second. No, it has to settle. And that takes a couple of days. So then what you would see is a section like this when you click on this down arrow right here. It will show unsettled funds. And let's just say I sold Fisker and my unsettled funds amount, or the amount I supposed to pocket in my money, and pocket the money supposed to pocket would be $791.82. Well, this is how you can actually track how or when this unsettled funds gets transferred to available to withdraw. When it takes a couple of days, I can't even, I think it's like 3 to 4 days, I believe, for it to actually settle. I don't really monitor it, but it's not a week. It's shorter than a week. It just takes business days. So if you do something on a Friday, nothing is going to happen with these unsettled funds on the weekend because it's only for business days. So if you just wanted to just keep checking it every day, you can go right there and you can see unsettled. When that unsettled disappears, all this money will be put right here in the amount available to refund area, and that's when you can go up here and transfer it to your bank account to use it as you see fit. So yeah, this is how you will go right ahead and do a sell option for any trade if you have a gain. Hope this helped you. Any questions? Leave it down in my comments.